So when I'm doing a temp fade, I like to fade down. And fading down means start gradually getting closer. So I start off with more hair and I graduate to less hair. Now I just closed my lever and I'm going to go up against the grain. All right. And you see how it's getting closer. Now you see, if you can look down and you can see little fray hairs, I'm going to show you how to blend all of that in and how all of this is detailing. We're going to detail every little thing about this hair. And so I'm going to open this up. I don't want to cut it off. I just want to blend it. So I'm going with the grain and I want it to be a solid line, a solid motion, and everything just kind of lay flat and even. So with this hair right here, I'm going to fade this in a little more. Against the grain I'm going.